Head massage. Step 1. Lift and pull the yin tang acupoint. Step 2. Wipe horizontally from the brow center to the brow tail. Step 3. Tap the Jingming acupoint. Step 4. Soothe the eye area. Step 5. Gently knead the Taiyang acupoint. Step 6. Rub both ear auricles. Step 7. Knead both sides of the neck. Step 8. Gently tap the Baihui acupoint on the top of the head. Step 9. Lift and pull the neck upwards. Step 10. Massage the top of the head and both sides with finger knuckles. Sharing simple neck and shoulder massage techniques. First, evenly apply massage oil to the shoulders and back. Glide down along the shoulders. Movement 1. Knead and massage the trapezius muscle. Use the thumbs to pluck and knead upwards. Soothe and relax the back. Second step. Knead and pinch the splenius capitis and semispinalis capitis muscles in the back of the neck. Focus on unblocking the meridians in this area. Finally, soothe and relax the back again. Full version of home back massage. First, evenly apply massage oil to the back and soothe the entire back. Step 1. Push the trapezius muscles on the left and right sides, point knead to strengthen. Step 2. Lift and pull the Dasui acupoint area, straight push to strengthen. Step 3. Push the governing vessel in the middle, be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Step 4. Push and knead the bladder meridian on the left and right sides of the spine, push down to the waist. Step 5. Divide and push the scapula on the left and right sides. Point knead the Tianzong acupoint. Step 6. Clench your fist and strengthen the push on the entire back. Finally, soothe the entire back muscles.
Hello everyone. Today, I'll share a lumbar massage technique with you. Once you master it, you can treat your family members at home. First, apply essential oil to your hands. Then, massage and relax the entire lumbar region. You can repeat this motion a few times. Make sure to keep in close contact with the skin. Next, let's focus on acupressure points. We'll start by pressing the Mingmen point. Press each acupoint 3 times, gradually increasing the pressure from light to firm. After that, move on to the Yaoyangguan point. Again, press 3 times, with pressure from light to firm. After pressing the acupoints, massage the entire lumbar area with both hands to relax it. Once relaxed, use the 4 fingers of both hands to push upwards along the governor vessel. While doing so, ensure you're close to the skin. Then, massage along the sides on the bladder meridian. The bladder meridian is the body's primary channel for drainage and detoxification. Keep in close contact with the skin for a more comfortable experience. Next, clench your fists and press onto the lumbar area. This helps in deeply relaxing the lumbar muscles and warming them up. After that, massage the sides of the lumbar area, which correspond to the daimai, or girdling vessel. If the daimai is blocked, the meridians won't flow smoothly. You can press the daimai area several times. Once done, use a wooden massage stick with beads on one side. First, apply essential oil and spread it evenly with your hand. Push it upwards from the lower part. While doing this, avoid using excessive force. After a few minutes, the skin might feel slightly warm. It's time for gua sha, using the grooved side of the wooden massage stick. Gua sha is beneficial for deeply clearing the meridians, relieving lumbar soreness, fatigue, and stiffness. After performing gua sha, remember to keep the area warm. There might be residual essential oil on the wooden massage stick. Wipe it with alcohol cotton swabs. Avoid washing with water. Did you get all of that, my friends? Don't forget to like and follow.
Feeling tightness in your chest lately? Explore the benefits of chest meridian massage. It's more than just physical comfort, it positively impacts your well-being by promoting smooth qi flow throughout the body's energy pathways. Stimulating chest meridians improves circulation, efficiently delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells and tissues, boosting energy and stamina for daily activities. This improved flow also regulates your nervous system, easing stress and anxiety, often manifesting as chest tightness or shortness of breath. Imagine tension melting away, your energy flowing freely and revitalizing your entire being. By influencing qi flow through these vital channels, this massage aids digestion, reducing bloating and promoting better nutrient absorption. It supports natural bodily functions and overall balance by working with your body's intricate energy system. Focusing on chest meridians greatly benefits overall well-being, contributing to a feeling of lightness, ease, and improved vitality in your daily life. It's a simple yet effective way to support physical and emotional health through meridian massage, harmonizing your body's energy and promoting a sense of inner peace. Regular chest meridian massage can become a valuable part of your self-care routine.
Abdominal massage. Step 1. Tai Chi soothing motion. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Step 2. Acupressure. Press each point 3 times. Start with light pressure, then gradually increase. Press down slowly. Feel for a pulsation. Hold for 3 seconds, then slowly release. Soothe the area. Step 3. Palm push the middle area of the abdomen. Then scrape along both sides. Repeat each movement 15 to 20 times. After that, continue with Tai Chi soothing motion. Step 4. Palm push in an ascending, horizontal, and descending motion. Step 5. Diamond push. Apply steady pressure, but not too hard. Repeat 3 to 5 times. After each movement, soothe the area. Step 6. Elbow push. As long as you're not tired, you can push a bit more. Step 7. Push along both sides of the belt meridian. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Step 8. Overlap both hands and push outward.
So, you're looking for a simple way to boost your overall well-being? Well, a relaxing foot massage at home can actually be incredibly beneficial. It really helps promote healthy circulation throughout your entire body, which, is so essential for everything from delivering nutrients to your tissues to helping remove waste products. And that improved circulation, well, it kind of has a ripple effect, promoting relaxation and easing tension, which can definitely contribute to a greater sense of balance and overall well-being. It's a simple and caring act that can truly make a difference in how you feel.